Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to delete OnlyFans account. So to delete your OnlyFans account, follow the steps in the video. Open up your OnlyFans application from your app drawer. Make sure that you are signed into your OnlyFans account. Once you are in, from the main homepage, click on your profile icon at the bottom right-hand corner. Now, click on Settings from the options. From the Settings menu, tap on Account. Now, scroll all the way down until you find the Delete Account option and then tap on it. Enter the verification code shown in the display at the top left. After you are done, click on Delete Account. Click on Yes, Delete in the pop-up. Soon after you do that, you will be able to delete your OnlyFans account in just a couple of minutes. Deleting your OnlyFans account will permanently remove all of your data, including your profile, subscription information, and any other content you've uploaded. Make sure to back up any important data or content before proceeding with the account deletion process. If you have any active subscriptions or pending payments, you will need to cancel them before deleting your account to avoid any unwanted charges. So those were some of the steps you can follow in order to delete your OnlyFans account. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.